有时候人在改变情，情其实也在改变人。情的这种感觉，它有轻微淡远的一面，它也有它这个繁华激烈的一面。弹琴时间久了之后，你会慢慢的觉得自己的性格会更加温润一些。我叫张伟，习琴有6年的时间。其实我以前一直从事的是房地产工作，那时候年薪也很高，但是工作压力也很大，业绩的压力要求也有很多这种就是急功近利的一面。但是弹琴之后，你会把过度的那种功利心去放下。古琴我们既把它定义成一个乐器，同时我们也把它作为一个礼器，最后我们还可以把它上升成为一个道器。它的首位就是涵盖了很多君子之道，也涵盖了很多就是中国传统文化的精髓，很含蓄，但是又有它特有的一种威慑力。它传递任何一种情绪，是抱怨也好，是哀怨也好，是思念也好，是热爱也好，是狂热也好，它都可以通过这个琴曲去表达出来。这个古琴看起来就这么方寸之间，实际上它包罗万象，天地人所有的要素，包括我们社会里的各种体系，都在它里边有一定的体现。琴人的这个最高境界是悦己，就是他会更加的享受自己独处的状态，更加享受自我的状态。过去的时候，你会在乎别人的眼光，然后你弹琴沉浸在自己的世界里边的时候，你会更关注自我，开始认识自己，了解自己，发现自己，然后享受自己。这个我觉得是弹琴给我的一个最大的收获。
Hello, I'm Alex, co-founder and CEO at 25 Sprout. Our product is called Survey Cake. This is an enterprise SaaS product which helps you create professional and friendly survey easily. We have 2 business units in our company. One is about Survey Cake, and the second one is like consultant and solution. By the consultant business, we can reach a lot of new clients. Also, we can work with our partner like some big corporate, Toyota, HSBC, give us a lot of insight of their field. On the other part is about the product, Survey Cake. Survey Cake is like we are diving the problem of the one issue. It's like a combination, and then they have a good synergy to work together. So I think that's our core value. There's a big difference. So you can imagine when we were like 5 people, we can have lunch every day, so we can like talk and chat. But now when we grow like 50, then it's very hard to communicate like that. So there'll be, misunderstanding. People don't know what the company is going to do and what the boss is thinking. So we came up with a new solution. We call this Sprouter Stay. It's all about transparency and it's all about communication. It has been like 4 years and it ran very well.
You'll be our team for how great and how capable it is. And for building this team, we first put the right people into the right place. And together, we build a system to run. And this system is included like from a very simple job like daily administration, recruitment, development, management, and so on, almost every detail. Then we make every team member can focus more on their profession. And for the result, we now almost double our team size. People enjoy their stay here and even makes very good friends.
When we have our baby, Survey Cake, at the beginning, we want to see how good it is. TSS is an organization eager to help Taiwanese startup to go abroad. And luckily we got picked, and then we went to New York, Silicon Valley, and Hong Kong. Then we met our client, right, which would change our different company. So this is the great help for us. No matter what time and where you are, always cherish your better health, your family, your friend, because they are the most important thing. I kept my word. I just got married 2 years ago, and I'm also going to be a father this autumn. For the rest of life, it's great. You're gonna love here. Wish me luck.